Finding freelance or full-time work on Behance is straightforward due to its vast network of creative professionals and job opportunities. Here's how to locate work. Log into Behance. Visit Behance and sign into your account. Having a completed profile with a well-curated portfolio is important for maximizing your chances of finding work. Explore the job board. Click on the Jobs tab at the top of the page. This will take you to the Behance job board, where companies post freelance, full-time and part-time opportunities in various creative fields. Use filters. Use the filters on the job board to refine your search. You can filter by job type, location, and creative fields such as graphic design, illustration, UI or UX, photography, video editing, etc. Apply to jobs. Browse through job postings and click on any that interests you. Review the job description, requirements, and application process. Many jobs allow you to apply directly through Behance by submitting your portfolio and the cover letter. Network with clients. Engage with other Behance users by following, commenting, and appreciating their work. Networking increases your visibility and can lead to collaboration or work offers.